Welcome back to 1200 plus PYQ series of CSIR NET examination. This question was asked in NET June 2021. The question says that the beam of ion pi plus is incident on a proton target, giving rise to the process pi plus proton give results to neutron plus pi plus pi plus. Okay, now assuming that the decay proceeds through strong interaction. Okay, here it is given that this decay proceeds through strong interaction. Okay, the total isospin I and its third component I3 for the decay products are dash. Okay, means the question is saying that if we incident pi plus 2 proton, okay, we are getting this decay products. Okay, then what is the total isospin and third component of isospin for these decay products? Okay, you are given with four options. Okay, the four options are: first, I is equals to 3 by 2, I3 is equals to 3 by 2, where I is isospin and I3 is third component of isospin. Second option, I is equals to 5 by 2, I3 is equals to 5 by 2. Then third option, I is equal to 5 by 2, I3 is equal to 3 by 2. And last option, I is equals to half, I3 is equals to half. So let us now solve this question. Okay, in the question the reaction is pi plus proton give results to neutron plus pi plus pi plus. Okay, you must know a concept that in any reaction, if it is strong, if it is a strong reaction, then isospin is conserved, also third component of isospin I3, both quantum numbers are conserved. Okay, both are conserved. Okay, now let's see for proton. Look here to the right side. Okay, see right side. For proton the isospin is half. For proton the isospin is half and third component of isospin is also half. For neutron the isospin is half and third component of isospin is minus half. And for pi plus, okay, for pi plus isospin is equals to 1, third component of isospin is also equal to 1. You just have to remember some values like for proton isospin is half, for neutron isospin is half, that is I is equal to half, and for proton I3 is equals to plus half, and for neutron I3 is equal to minus half. Okay, if you refer any standard book like Griffith for nuclear physics or any book, then you can find the chart where there is isospin, third component of isospin for various particles. Okay, you can just remember it. Okay, so for similarly for pi plus we have isospin is equal to 1 and I3, that is third component of isospin, is also equal to 1. So now let us proceed further. Okay, seeing this reaction isospin is conserved, so we can say that for pi plus isospin is 1, for proton isospin is half, for neutron isospin is half, for pi plus isospin is 1, and for another pi plus isospin is 1. So let's see, you can see that total of the reactant, okay, means LHS side, that is 1 plus half. Okay, 1 plus half, and right side that is half plus 1 plus 1. In the question it is given for the product side. Okay, in the question it is given for the product side, so we will add the corresponding isospin for product sides only. Okay, so let us add the product side isospin. So here half plus 1 plus 1, that is half plus 1, 3 by 2 plus 1, 5 by 2. So isospin for product side is 5 by 2. Okay, now let us do it for third component of isospin. Okay, for third component of isospin let us write, that is I3 for pi plus I3 is equal to 1, for proton I3 is equal to half, For neutron, I3 is equal to minus half. For pi plus, I3 equal to 1, and for another pi plus, I3 is equals to 1. So what we will do, we will simply add the isospin components, that is third component of isospin, for the RHS, because we were asked to find the isospin and third component of isospin for the RHS, that is the total product or the reactant products only. So what you will do, you will simply just add, that is minus half plus 1 plus 1, that is 2 minus half, which is coming out to be 3 by 2. So for the products, that is I3 is equals to minus half plus 1, which is equal to 3 by 2. Hence we are getting that our I is equals to 5 by 2, and third component of isospin, that is I3, it is coming to be 3 by 2. So 5 by 2, 3 by 2. So let's see, is there any option like that? So 5 by 2 and 3 by 2, yes, C option. In C option, that is I is equals to 5 by 2 and I3 is equals to 3 by 2. Okay, so this is how we solve such type of question. If you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to my channel Researcher on Physics and check out this playlist for more videos. Thank you.